Oh. Right? So the next part is define a method. We need to record again. Yeah, it's already recording. Right? Define a method which allows one subscriber to transfer airtime to another subscriber. This method should be applied on two subscriber objects, and the subscriber transferring airtime should have their airtime balance reduced by the amount transferred, provided that the amount transferred is below or equal to their airtime balance. The subscriber receiving airtime should have their airtime balance increased by the amount transferred. Call the method transfer. Now we want to transfer the airtime from one subscriber to the next. Right. How do we do this? The name of the method is going to be transfer, and this transfer is to have another, we can call this one who muna transfer one of the. All right, I'll just call this one the receiver. Right. So we now have a method that is going to accept a parameter. One parameter. Remember, the self is just the self, don't put anything. But the next parameter, the receive, which means we need something. We need the receive. The one who is going to receive the airtime. Right. So this receiver is a class object. So the first thing is we need to know the amount, right? We need to know the amount. Which allows one subscriber. This method should be applied on two. Actually, it's not specified as good. This method we have to it has to accept a parameter, but we want to make it accept a parameter so that you can know between those methods that does not accept a parameter and the method that accept a parameter. Right. So this self, we need to know the airtime to be transferred, right? So this is the airtime to be transferred. So we can say airtime amount is equal to it's a float variable, and this one is in right. So enter amount to be transferred. Right, something like that. Right, then after that after that, let's test if this amount is less than or equal to what? To the balance yemunhu ari kusenda self dot airtime. So if this amount is less than or equal, then fine, we perform the transfer, right? Which means the self dot airtime has to be reduced by this amount, right? Then the receiver how do we add the airtime of the receiver? Huh? How do we add the airtime to the receiver? Huh? How do we add airtime to the receiver? Remember, receiver is going to be, this receiver is going to be the object of this class, right? Yes. It's going to be the object of this class. So how do we add the airtime to that guy? Tupa ndiri kubvunza kuti tinonyora kuti How do we add kunongomo? For saying